Airsteril technology addresses a problem that current air purification machines are confronted with. Air circulates in a random manner. In other words, even with a ventilation system, it's impossible to predict how air moves. This means that stagnant air masses are regularly present in a room, and it can take hours or even days for them to move and pass through a filtration system. They contain their share of pathogens and pollutants, and it's important to treat them so as to guarantee the health safety of an interior. Current air purification systems are based on a common principle. The air must pass through their machines to be disinfected. Unfortunately, they are dependent on the random displacement of stagnant air masses. Moreover, very often, these machines offer to treat large volumes of air in record time, but the random displacement of the air entails that part of the air already thus purified will be sucked back by them. Conventional air purifiers cannot guarantee that a room is purified in its entirety. Airsteril has solved this problem because the air in the room does not necessarily have to pass through the machine body in order to be disinfected. It works as follows. The air passes through the Airsteril device either by thermoconvection or by suction thanks to a built-in mini-fan. In the closed casing, the air is subjected to UVC rays which have the capacity to kill or inactivate microorganisms, viruses, bacteria, fungi, the most resistant molds, by disrupting their DNA, thus destroying their vital functions. Inside the casing, free OH radicals are also produced. These have the capacity to eliminate pollutants by breaking them down. The result is carbon dioxide and water. This also has the effect of eliminating bad smells and cleaning the air. The air then leaves the machine in the form of plasma, composed of negative ions and very small amounts of ozone. The negative ions force all the particles in the air to come together. As a result of their increased weight, they fall to the ground. At the same time, since the air is now free of pollutants, thanks to the prior action of OH hydroxyl radicals, ozone, O3, which by its very nature seeks to become O2 again, will transmit its third oxygen molecule to any particle encountered along the way. Ozone will therefore attach itself to what is still present, the pathogens, which, when an oxygen molecule is transmitted to them, are burned and thus destroyed, whatever their nature. Airsteril is the first technology in the world capable of disinfecting the air and surfaces of a room in a continuous manner when humans are present. Your room, the air, the furniture and the surfaces are disinfected 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Airsteril, your health and safety partner.